highlight all the different types of trucks there are. Well, types of trailers, and therefore different types of truckers. Each of them pretty much has their own stereotype. Like that Queen driver. Pulls right in front of me, and then he pulls in front of the bottom dump. Definitely not an American trucker. These are all stereotypes. They're not racial, because you have the asylum seekers from everywhere. The former Soviets out of the Eastern Bloc, Eastern Europe. Got the Middle Easterners. You have the Indians, the Pakistanis. You have the Africans. All different types have flooded over here under this asylum program. What industries do they flock to? How are they getting work? You can see the backup. All they want to do is just get by, and then they stay in the left lane. Well, I'll join the crowd when the rain starts again. Driving in rain and snow is always dangerous, especially when you're this heavy. I think I scaled at 77,000 pounds. UZ Auto Trans, usually that's a car carrier. I expect them to slow down a little bit. I'm slowing down to 65 even though it's rated at 70 here. Again, you don't want to overdrive your vision. So little pockets of rain all through the middle of America right now. Down in the southeast, if this happened, it's usually a stronger rain. Everybody slows down to 30 or 35 miles per hour, throws on their hazards, and that's what's normal in the southeast. Here in Ohio and Indiana, Illinois, into Missouri, it's lighter rain. People just continue like nothing's happening. I know that it's windy out right now. Just maintain a good following distance. Keep an eye on the rear view mirrors of who's coming up behind me. Happening down in Cincinnati, it'll make that challenging. get through the city. And the 71 and the 75 meet up together in Cincinnati. Everybody going by me is speeding. I'm doing the speed limit. They're going faster.